Hey guys, it's your girl Jaleesa Graham, and if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and become a part of our little YouTube family over here. And if you're returning, thank you guys so much for always returning and supporting us. Come spend a day with us in this little vlog. Today we're at Nicholas's soccer practice, and then we'll just see where the day leads us. Make sure you guys go over on Instagram also and follow me at Jaleesa Graham. Oh, look at your cute shoes, mommy. My friend gave her these cute Uggs. Ooh, she done messed up her clothes already. Want to do an outfit check, mommy? Oh, outfit check. Her old navy hoodie. And she has on a little unicorn shirt that we got from Target. And me and me and baby girl's just chilling out over here. I'm cleaning out my car while the boys are doing soccer. Why you do that? All right, hey guys, we're currently at the soccer field and Nicholas is working out with his coach. I'm wearing my anti-social moms club sweatshirt. I love this sweatshirt. I ordered it off of Trophy. She's a YouTuber and I always like follow her and stuff, and I ordered some of her merch. Me and the baby are over here chilling. I'm cleaning out the car. The boys are over there with soccer, but while they're doing that, I'm just over here cleaning. The baby's over there eating some snacks. So this is her view. Baby girl just chilling, and she's watching the boys over there do their soccer. And I got her this is one of the toys I got for her. Let me show you. I gave her some little bit of snackies over here. This is one of the things I had picked up yesterday when I went to Ross. Just picked her up this little toy. I'm gonna be out for most of the day. And like I said, those are some cute Uggs that my friend got for her. They're so cute. I'm trying to cover her, but there she is eating her little snacks. Also packed her this toy for today. This is like a whale. I got her this little whale, and it does like letters and stuff like that. So just a bunch of things to keep her occupied. Say hey, mama. Hey, mama. She's eating her snacks. Okay, you like that one, mama? All right, guys. My child doesn't want to cooperate. Gabe, you want to say hey? Are you up, Gabe? Or are you sleeping? Say hey. We just got back from their soccer practice. We did stop and get them something to eat. Well, Gabe did. He wanted some chicken nuggets, so we got some McDonald's. I'm trying to think. We did a couple Uber Eats deliveries. So guys, we are currently in the Starbucks line. And wait, I came on to tell y'all something, but I forgot. But we're going to get some Starbucks real quick. Do a couple more deliveries and orders, and then I'm probably gonna head home and do some cleaning. It's Sunday, so like a little clean with me, refresh to get through the week coming up. Start the week off good. Make sure you guys are over on Instagram, following me at Jaleesa Graham. Make sure you guys like the video. If you're watching, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that you guys know when I'm uploading, so that you guys know when the new content is coming out. We're gonna get this Starbucks, and we will probably do a couple deliveries, and then see you guys back at the house, and we're gonna clean up. The baby's with us too. She's sleeping. That's about it.
What happened to forever? Now we're not together. I know it's time, you probably need a break to see if you were down, whatever, and die together. But baby, know that I'm good either way.
Alright guys, so we did get our Starbucks eventually. They was taking forever. So I got my regular mango dragon fruit refresher with lemonade, and I also got me a venti just ice water. I don't know, I saw a YouTuber and she was like, Starbucks ice water is just unmatched. It's just amazing. It's just everything, and I just be falling for it every time. It just tastes like regular water. So now we're back in the car a little while later, and I'm stopping at KFC to get some chicken for dinner. I kind of wanted to get pizza. Wawa has pizza now, and I wanted to try that, but I want to get some mashed potatoes for the baby, and then I was like, I might as well just get food. 31. All right, thank you. And I was like, I might as well just get food here, and maybe we could do Wawa pizza tomorrow. We're gonna stop and look at some Halloween costumes to see for the kids and see what they want to be. So either we'll find something in the store, or all right, thank you, or we will just end up ordering it offline. So, all right, thank you. Thank you. All right, Nick, hold this for me. Let me just make sure they gave us like sauce.
Summer nights, flashing lights, when the DJ's spinning, everybody out on the dance floor singing. Give me love and give me life. When the DJ's spinning, everybody out on the dance floor singing. Hey oh, way oh, summer love makes me feel alright. These are the best days of my life. Hey oh, way oh, summer love makes me feel alright. These are the best days of my life.
Take it how you want it, I'ma give it to you G straight. NML beat slam, not a human being. Ballin' like Kareem, sippin' on codeine. I lean with it, rock with it, got coke dreams. Boom, back, boom in the trap. When trap meets house, you get a trap house. Got 2 stacks, throw it at a strip dancer. Big booty hoe, says she from Atlanta.
Hey oh, way oh, summer love makes me feel alright. These are the best days of my life. Hey oh, way oh, summer love makes me feel alright. These are the best days of my life. These are the best days of my life. You can watch me grow, 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 You can watch